types of numbers, guys. We have 4 types of numbers. What are those four types of numbers? Now I'll discuss. One is binary number, binary octal format, octal numbers, decimal numbers, and hexadecimal numbers. We have 4 types of numbers. Binary, octal, decimal, and hexadecimal. Yeah, binary means what? Base 2. Octal, base 8. Decimal, base 10. By 10. Okay, by 2, by 8. This is what? By 16. Okay, we have numbers are right. See, binary, decimal, octal, hexadecimal. 4 kind of numbers we have. Okay. Now see, guys, base 2. What is the binary contains? Zeros and ones. It consists of zeros and ones. Octal number, it contains 0 to 7. What are the reminders? If I divide with 8, what are the reminders you'll get? 0 to 7. If I divide with 2, what are the reminders you'll get? Either 0 or 1, right? Same, base 10. What are the reminders you'll get? 0 to 9. What are the reminders we get? 0 to 15. When you divide with 16. Okay, you won't get right? You won't get 16, right? 0 to 15. Yeah, but base consists of 0 to 9 numbers and right? See, 0 to 15, but 0 to 15 how we write? 0 to 9 we write. After that A to F. What is A to F? That is 0 to 10 to 15. Total number 0 to 15, right? 0 to 9 and 10 to 15. 10 to 15 we represent A to F. What is the format specified to print octal? Percentile O. What is the format specified to print decimal? Percentile D. Hexadecimal, percentile X. Okay, we have 3 format: octal, decimal, and hexadecimal, guys. Okay, see this: octal is percentile O, decimal is percentile D, hexadecimal is percentile X. For example, if I write one number, guys, 7, how we represent 7? 7 we represent 0, 1, 1, sorry. In octal format, how we write? 0, 7, we represent 0, 7. Decimal we represent 7 only. This is 0x7 we represent. Okay. 15, for example, 15. How to represent 15? We represent 15 by 2. 0, 4 ones. 15, I will get 0 by 8. 15 by 8, guys. How to do this? 15 by 8. How many times? 1 time. Remainder is 7. 1, 7 will get 0, 1, 7 is a octal format. 0, 1, 7. By 16, it's not possible, right? 0xf. You know, right? Same like 25. How to write 25 in octal format and decimal? 16, right? We'll get a 16, 0, 1, 16 and 4, 16 plus 8, 25. What is 16 plus 8, guys? 24 and 1. How we write 25 binary value? We can write by 2. How many times? 12 times. Remainder is 1. 12 times remainder is 1. Again by 2. 6 times remainder is 0. Again by 2. 3 times remainder is 0. Again 2. 1 time remainder is 1. Now 1 1 0 0 1. We write 1 1 0 0 1, guys. This is 1 1 0 0 1. That is 25. How to write 25? By 8. How many times? 3 times remainder is 1. 0 3 1. Hexadecimal. How to write hexadecimal? 0x19, right? 19 will get. You understood, right? By 16. 1 and 9. 1 time remainder is 9. Same like we can write 65, guys. How to write 65? Binary value, you can write binary value 0. Yeah, octal number. How to write octal, guys? You can write octal number by 8, guys. How many times by 8? 8 times. Remainder is 1. Okay, don't stop. Again by 8 again, one time remainder is 0. 101. Okay, it starts with 101. 65 hexadecimal, guys. How to write hexadecimal? By 16. 4 times remainder is how much? 1. 0x41, guys. 0x41. Okay, clear, guys? These are hexadecimal and decimal and octal format. Okay, but in octal format how to write, in hexadecimal format how to write, guys? In the program can I write directly? Okay, see, guys, completed, right? First decimal, hexadecimal, right? How do we write? In input, right? In the program we write like this. Input 031 we write, but in output it won't display 031, guys. Output it displays only 31, guys. It displays 31. Hexadecimal also same. Input how do we write, guys? 0x41 or 0x19. 0x19. In input we write like this, but output what it generates, guys? Output 19 it displays. Clear it is? Yeah, write this. We have binary, octal, decimal, and hexadecimal. 4 types of numbers we have.
Unmute.
Completed? Yeah, how to write a program and how it displays binary and decimal, hexadecimal format. See, guys. Yeah, guys. Now see once. Can I write like this? Now I am writing the statements like this. Int x equals to or int a equals to. Yeah, int a equals to something 15 or 25. 15 how it displays, and right now I am displaying, right, percentile percentile what, percentile x. Now what I am printing, a value 3 formats I am printing as percentile. There is no format to print a binary format, guys. Directly we can't print binary, but octal and hexadecimal we can print it. Okay, see, guys, .c extension header files are optional here. Okay, now run. If I run, see this, 15 decimal format, it prints 15 decimal format, guys. I told you, right? Hexadecimal, the octal format 17017 octal, 0x1f, 0xf, f only it prints. For example 25, for example 25, if I write decimal and hexadecimal I want to give 25. For example, if I give 25, what it prints? 25 31, right? It won't print 0, 31 and 19 it prints. 25 31 19. 25, see this, 31 and 19. Clear it is? Hexadecimal, guys. How to print hexadecimal? 64. Yeah, how to print 64, guys? Decimal and hexadecimal. 65. Sorry, 65. We know, right? Already 65. 65 is what? 101, 65, 41, right? 65 decimal, 65, 101, and 41. Clear it is? Yeah, guys. Write this for 65. What is the output? It will be printed. 65. Right? This is 65, 101, and 41 or 41. 0x41. Okay, no? Now I'll give one program, guys. Try that and answer. Tell me the answer, guys. Yeah. Now, for example, if I give an example like this, see this. Now I am writing example is 017 plus 021 plus 0x 1a plus 0x 1a. You can write capital or small, that is your wish, guys. 0x 2b. Yeah. Now tell me, guys, what is the answer of this question? Okay, three formats. Tell me what are the three formats? Percentile D, percentile O, percentile X. Three formats. What values it prints? Yeah, what is the answer, guys? Yeah, we check it. What is the value of this, guys? First one is what? 017. How to convert to 017? Percentile 017, right? Uh, how to convert to decimal format? 7 into 8 power 0. Why? Because octal. Because of octal, 8 power 0. If it is a binary, 2 power 0 we write. So 7 into 8 power 0 and 1 into 8 power 1. Okay, now answer is what? 1 into 8 power 1 is 1 plus, sorry, 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7. What is 8 plus 7, right? 15. Now first value is 017. It's a 15. Now first value is, guys, 15. See this value? This is 15. Second one, 021. What is 021, guys? 021. This is also octal because it is starting with 0. 1 into 8 power 0. 1 into 8 power 0 plus 2 into 8 power 1. Okay. 2 into 8 power 1. 16 plus 1. 17. Now second answer is what? 17, guys. Now 0x1 hexadecimal, right? A into 16 power 0. A into 16 power 0. A means 10. 10 into 16 power 0 plus, right? A into 16 power 0 plus, and 1 into 16 power 1. 1 into 16 power 1 is 16 plus A. 10. 26. Next value is 26, guys. This is 26 plus 0x2b. B into 16 power 1. It's a 11, right? 11 into 16 power 0. B means 11 into 16 power 0 plus 2 into 16 power 1. 2 into 16 power 1. 32 it is. 32 plus 11. What is 32 plus 11? 43. Now it's a 43, guys. Last one is 43. Now total answer is how much? 15 plus 17, right? How much this is? 32. 32 plus 26. Yeah, 101. The total value calculate, guys. It's a 101, right? Yeah, guys. It's a 101, right? Yeah. Or 104. Some are saying 1. Yeah, 15 plus 32, 32 plus, right? 32 plus 26. How much? 32 plus 26, right? 42, 52, 58. 58 plus, yeah, 101, guys. Total answer is 101. Yeah, 101, three formats you are displaying. 101 3 format by 8. That is a decimal is 101, octal format. How many times? One time here. Okay. Remainder is how much? 2, right? 21 again. 2 times 16. Remainder is how much? Right? 5. Yeah, 16 means 5. Now what is the value? Again by 8. One time remainder is 4. 145. That is octal. 145 is octal. Hexadecimal, guys. 101 by hexadecimal by 16. How many times? 6 times. 96. Remainder is how much? 5. 65. This is hexadecimal. Total 101, 145 and 65, guys. Yeah, you can check it, this answer. So 101, 145 and 65. Got it right, guys? Right? Clear, guys? Completed, guys. Next one. This is a number system. So you understood, right? 4 types of numbers. We can print a decimal and hexadecimal and octal format, guys. Next one. Okay, see this. Next topic name is guys, control statements. Yeah, right. And now control statements topic, guys. What are control statements? We have right, 4 topics completed, right? Now control statements. Control statements are classified into 4 types. Write the notes. Conditional, unconditional, multi-branching and loops. Yeah, guys. Sukirtana is asking once again to explain. Yeah, you understood, right? 017. It's an octal number. Why it's octal? It is starting with 0. Okay, it is having 0 and 7, 1 to 7 numbers, right? This is octal. Converting decimal format. Decimal means our usable format, right? 7 into 8 power 0 is how to convert. 7 into 8 power 0. If it is octal, right? That's why 8 power 0. 1 into 8 power 1 it is. That value will get. Is hexadecimal, a into 16 power 0 and 1 into 16 power 1. This is also. B means what? 11. 11 into 16 power 1, 2 into 16 power